Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you step by step how you can create or add new layers to your presentations and boards on Miro in 2025. So let us dive into this. All right, guys, so navigate to your board or presentation and let me show you option number one, how to add a layer, because there are actually two ways how you can do this. So option number one would be to simply left click into one of your objects here or elements. Let me go with that text box here, or that's a sticky note. And what you want to do after that is navigate to the customization menu of the given element by clicking into these three dots here and hover your mouse over move to layer. Here to the right, you can assign a layer, for example. Usually it will be set to default layer, but you can, for example, create layer 1 or create a completely new one by clicking into this button. And after that, give it a name. So let us leave it at layer 2. You may also, for example, hide the layer, unhide it, lock it, access more options to duplicate it, rename it, delete it, and so on and so forth. And that's basically it. After that, the given layer will be created so that you can, for example, use it. So let me show it to you again. So click into the given element, click into the three dots here, hover your mouse over move to layer, and there you go. As you can see, layer 2 has been added. So that's option number one. You may also close that list of layers, and let me show you how you can access these layers too without accessing or clicking into any of these elements. So what you want to do is click into that plus button at the bottom of that left side or toolbar here, and simply use the search bar here and type in layer or layers, and you will see the layers tool here. So you may pin it to the toolbar by clicking into this button. And there you go. Now you can, for example, access it via this button here. And that is going to open up that list of layers so that you may navigate through these layers and, for example, change their positions. And that's it, guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.